Using cURL for HTTP requests on Termux Android. Let's see how we can make launch requests in other methods. So to launch a post request, have it at the back of your mind that you are going to be passing data to the server. For example, you might be, if you are building an application where maybe a user wants to register, do you expect the user to send their registration details information? They're going to be sending it as a post data, and part of what you will specify in the headers is the content type. You're going to be specifying it as application or JSON. Okay, so we are going to be doing that also with the cURL. All you have to do is just to do cURL, then you use the capital X flag. Please note it is case sensitive. Capital X. Do you specify the method post? Okay, post. Then now you specify the header using capital H flag. Please, it is case sensitive. Now you pass in content type. Content type is going to be application slash JSON. Okay, application slash JSON, and that is it for the content type. Now we are going to be passing the data. So you're going to be using the D flag, small letter D, please, the D flag, and I have to write my data now. So I will be using the open bracket, then I will also have to pass the double quote this time. The double quote is for the data inside, the single quote is what is encompassing the whole JSON data. So the product title, the fields I'm going to be supplying title, then the title, I can just name it Android phone, then after doing that, I can as well specify the price. The title is a string, that is why I have this double quotes at the beginning and double quotes at the end, but the price is an integer, so I can just enter 56. Okay, I can just enter 56. So that way I can close the bracket. Then after closing the bracket, I can now close the whole JSON data using single quotes. Okay, single quotes at the beginning, single quotes at the end. Now I can move on to enter the endpoints. So paste. So that's the endpoint over there. Now it's going to be products/add. Just note the endpoint. Okay. So if I should run this, let me just pass the JQ command so that, because it's going to be returning the details of the product. So this is the pipe, then JQ. Run it. So just give it some time. You can see the ID is 195, the title is what, Android phone, and the price is 56, which is exactly what I entered upstairs here.